Everything in the universe is one. We are all made out of the same part of existence, which is, for lack of vocabulary, consciousness or love.
We need to reinvent reality every quantum minute. Every instant needs to be the new, the now.
The question is, can we hold in our consciousness the idea of a peaceful planet?
The place we ought to start is why I didn't want to come to this conference. Now, why didn't I want to come here? I didn't want to come here because you know what I'm sick of? I'm sick of people talking about free energy.
New energy or breakthrough energy.
The very nature of cohering the vacuum, which is our central mystery here, is understanding the precise symmetry that allows charge to be sucked in and to gain energy during centripetal or implosive collapse.
It's not a question of technology. We've got the technologies. We've had the technologies for a long time.
There can be no formulas of energy, there can be no formulas of forces without the human equation in the middle.
Our mission is to create a space for a whole new genre of frontier science and the technology that comes out of that investigation. This is coming, whether you want it or not.
It's not about win-lose, it's not about competition, it is win-win for every single individual on the planet.
Isn't it wonderful to come to a conference like this and to hang out with people, to know that you're not alone?
I'm happy to comment, but maybe someone else would like to.
A vision is more powerful than a rant.